bright choices, selecting the best shades for skylights. Welcome to the Made in the Shade North Jersey channel. Today, we're diving into the world of skylights and shades. Skylights are a wonderful addition to any room, bringing in natural light and creating an open and airy atmosphere. However, choosing the right shades can make a huge difference in controlling that light, enhancing room insulation, and ensuring privacy. Stick around and let's discover how to find the perfect shades for your skylight room. Skylights are windows installed in the roof or ceiling, allowing natural light to flood into spaces that might otherwise be dim. They're fantastic for adding brightness, reducing the need for artificial lighting, and enhancing the aesthetics of your home. From fixed to ventilated options, skylights come in various forms, each with unique benefits. When selecting shades for skylights, consider these key factors: light control, insulation, aesthetics, and privacy. The right choice can balance brightness with comfort and energy efficiency, while complementing your room's decor. There are several shades suited for skylights. Cellular shades offer excellent insulation, while roller shades provide sleek, modern aesthetics. Skylight shutters provide excellent light control and durability, perfect for long-term functionality. Each type comes with its own set of advantages and limitations, so choose what best fits your needs. Proper measurement and installation are crucial. Begin by measuring the exact dimensions of your skylight window. Follow with an installation process that suits the type of blinds you've chosen. A step-by-step demonstration can make this process straightforward. To maintain your blind's longevity and functionality, regular cleaning is essential. Dust them frequently and follow specific care instructions based on the material to avoid damage. If you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. Head over to our website for more information or to schedule a consultation. Join our community for continuous insights on enhancing your home's design. We'd love to hear from you. Share your experiences with skylight shades in the comments below.